Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Mermaid Day. A large group of friends got together and we're doing a collab, customizing a Blythe doll as a mermaid. Before I get into showing you my mermaid, I do want to read off the channel names. It's very important when you do a collab to mention all the other names in the collab because they'll be mentioning your names. These will all be in my description, and please go by and see them. You are going to love this. I think we all went in similar but different directions, and we gave each other some little hints, a couple little photos, but not a reveal. So we're going to be watching them for the first time. Okay. ELYSE Explosion, who I want to give a big shout out, because God love her, she kept us a list of each of the channels participating with the time and the date. And so thank you, ELYSE Explosion. J Dolls UK, Tina's Reborns and More, Ayla Avar, Little Plastic Friends, Holly's Dolly Hobby, Starts and Stitches, Dory's Dollies, Lovely Landfill, Playful Reborns, Mirasuru, Serenata, Eclectic Wanderings, Pat Doodles, Terry Sample, Living It Gigi Ma Style, Mortis Kedis, Princess My Hand, Ink Pads Playpad, Octopudding, Casey's Joy, Ellie Nefred, It's a Stroke of Life, and Sonia Almirante. Forgive me if I said your channel name wrong. No disrespect intended. Also, again, these will all be in the description, and everybody has a mermaid today. I was going to do mermaids in 3 sizes, and I kind of did, but not really. I'm just showing this one off again. This is actually going out to Gina at Midwest Reborns. And I'm actually going to put her in the description. This has 2 pull strings. One gently opens the eye, the other gently shuts it. I'm going to put Gina in the description because she has been waiting for this to reach her home. And then I took my machine, my sewing machine and I are getting along really well. I hate to say that out loud because I don't want to jinx it. But the first, I think this was the first tail I made. This is that stretch swimsuit fabric or fancy fabric. It's more than a stretch knit. And I could never sew stretch knit on my other sewing machine. So I asked my new sewing machine if it would sew this, and it sewed like a dream. So I didn't actually do a midi mermaid per se, but I brought out my little Dolls Gone Goth girl and show off the little tail. And we'll bring her back out in just a minute. I am so pleased with how my mermaid came out. Everything on this doll is actually different than I first pictured doing. I was going to sew like little creatures, Darren was going to 3D some little sea creatures, and I found these beads, and I think they look like bubbles, like breath bubbles. And I had these some of these cute little seashells, but Holly's Dolly Hobby, Holly, sent me these tiny little shells, and I just wanted to use them. They're just so cute. So I was pleased with how the hat came out. This doll, the first thing I did was take the body and head apart, and I had this aqua blue paint, and I wrapped her in netting, and I was really going for the scale look, but it came out completely different. And if you get a close-up on her face, it's like the ocean is reflecting on her face. Her tail, I just love this fabric. I absolutely love this fabric. And I didn't know if I would be able to get the fin lines in there, but my machine just sewed like a champ, so I'm really pleased. The top is netting, and then it's just halter top. I've got a snap up here, and then I actually super glued my shells in place. What I did is I took my other Blythe doll, my little mannequin, spread her arms out, and then I wrapped her in, what is it called? Plastic wrap, and did this over it, and I glued it right to the doll. Her pull strings have her name, Fish, with a PH, and she has little bubbles and pearls and dolphins, which are actually bait. I'll show you that in a minute, on her pull strings. But I would like to show you her eyes. Let me pull. If you look at her eyelids, I have nail art on there, seaweed and seahorses. I love seahorses. And then she has 4 different eyes that I thought worked really well with the blue on her face. Her lips are done in a coral color. And her hair, Allison from Gilly the Monster might recognize this. I used to do this with a pony. She actually had this color hair, and it was a lot easier to do this on a pony mane. When you do it to horses, it's called weaving, and I thought it would just be a good idea. But when you get to the sides of the, you know, it's just different than a horse mane. And could I have gone a little smaller? Maybe. But this is, the story is, my mermaid's trap. These are her bait. It's a little fish trap, so she can eat them. The little earrings I did not like at first. I found these at Hobby Lobby. They were actually just charms that I made into earrings, and I didn't like them. They were too matchy-matchy. But I set my dolls on a table between the TV and I when I'm working on them, and I'm not paying attention to them, but I am. I kind of glance at them, and then, you know, subconsciously I work on them. And I decided I like the earrings. Darren makes these stands. Now, usually there are little sea creatures that he prints with this, but we just ran out of time. We will also be donating 2 of these to Tammy's and Terry's virtual Blythe retreat that's going to be online. I don't know if you can still get in on that or not, but you can check with Tammy Polly. She has a YouTube channel. You can just search her that way. But we're giving 2 of these away as prizes for the virtual Blythe retreat. I love them. I think they're really cute.
With the sea creatures.
With the sea creatures, yeah. So that is my mermaid. And again, I tell you, I am really delighted. Earlier this year, Darren and I sent out some Blythe dolls. I thought maybe 3, 4 of us I had hoped would do a Blythe Fairy custom. Well, it turned out that a lot of people wanted to join in and use their own Blythe dolls, and it became so much fun. And we were talking back and forth with the emailing and what we were doing with our fairies, and it was so much fun. So when that was almost over, I said, anybody want to do a mermaid? And I thought maybe a couple would. Look at this list. Oh my God, I'm so excited. So many people joined in. I just want to tell you that coming up on September 16th, J Dolls UK and I are hosting in our Dolls Gone Goth series. We will be hosting Dark Fairies. So if you're looking for a fun project and you'd like to join in with a custom on a Blythe doll, any doll, we don't care with the Dolls Gone Goth, any doll at all, you want to just dress like a fairy, a dark fairy, or do a full custom, we would love to have you join in our challenge. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. please go watch every channel. It's really going to be a fun weekend. And if you don't get to see them on the weekend, I know I have some obligations, and I'm not going to be able to just sit in front of the computer like I usually do. But I'm going to watch every single one and can't wait. Thank you, ladies. Oh my goodness. Thank you. This has been so much fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.